expand the expression 3 multiplying 3y minus 1, and then another bracket opened, 6y minus 5. So this is our question. We are to expand 3 multiplying 3y minus 1, and then that's 2 multiplying 6y minus 5. If you look at this expression, now the 3 is behind or outside this bracket. We see these ones as one term because they are grouped in a bracket. This 2 is a term which is grouped in a bracket, and 3 is multiplying these terms in this bracket. But these terms in this bracket are also multiplying these terms in this bracket. So in mathematics, multiplication and division do not separate terms. It is only addition and subtraction that separate terms. So what you're going to do is that first you multiply these entire terms in this bracket by the entire terms in this bracket. When you are done, then you multiply the results by the 3. Okay, so let's do it step by step and see the results we will get. So we have 3, and then multiplying, we have 3y minus 1, and another bracket 6y minus 5. So we are first multiplying those terms in this bracket by those ones in this bracket. So we bring our 3 here. Now let me open a very big bracket so that it becomes easy for you, right? So you take one term, you multiply it by each term in this bracket. So we have 3y, we are multiplying it by 6y minus 5. We come here, we take the next term, which is negative 1. We multiply that too by the entire terms in this bracket. So we have 3y multiplying 6y minus 5, negative 1 multiplying 6y minus 5. And all these will be multiplied by what? 3. So now we have our 3 outside. 3y multiply 6y gives what? 3, 6, 18. So we have 18. Y multiply y gives y squared. 3 multiply negative 5 gives what? Negative 15. And then y multiply, there is no variable here, so you write our y. Negative y multiply 6y gives what? Negative 6y. And then negative 1 multiply negative 5 gives what? Positive 5. So now we close our bigger brackets. Okay, so we have 3 multiplying the bigger brackets. Negative 15y minus 6y gives what? We get 21y, right? Negative 21y. So we have 18y squared, then minus 21y, then plus 5. So the results that we've had here, we are going to multiply that by 3. Okay, we are going to multiply the entire results we've had here by 3. So let's do that. Now we multiply 3 by 18y squared, and we get what? 54y squared, right? So I have 54y squared. The next one is 3 multiplying negative 21y, and that one gives us what? 3 multiplied 21 is 63. So that one becomes 63y. So we have our negative 63y. And the next one is 3 multiplying positive 5, and that one gives us what? Positive 15. So this becomes our results. We have 54y squared minus 63y plus 15. So go through the options given to you. Which one is the correct answer? The answer is what? A, which is 54y squared minus 63y plus 15. If this is your first time of reaching this channel, press the subscription button, subscribe, and then press notification bell so that you will be updated on any new videos. You can click the channel name there to go through the playlist to watch more of these tutorials on Q&A.